Sanszee here, and I'm going to talk about how you sound propagate. So let's start. So now I'm gonna tell about how does the sound propagate simulation series. Now let us start with typing FET, THET, and I'm going to give the link in the description. So for now, let me go for that. I actually saved it as a bookmark. Now you can see the simulation. Sorry about that. I actually opened this. Now there are three of them, and mostly the sound is in waveform. Let me define it here. Let me define it here as sound is only available in terms of waves. Here I mean that the sound is only coming in waves and not in particle form. So there are three simulation. Before jumping into simulations, I would like to explain where does it propagate. Here it means sound. Where does it propagate and how is it different from light? So here sound can literally travel through anything except vacuum. So let me write it here. Sound can travel into and out of anything except vacuum. And actually, that is the place where there's no air. So let's picture this. Let us say we have a box with no air. This sounds terrible, but we have to do it. And the light, which is yellow in color, sorry, not light, it's a sound. Okay, it is coming in this way. But instead of getting inside, it will stay there. There's no vibration inside, and therefore no travel of sound. So if you say, yes, this happens, then you are wrong. Now let me draw a table comparing both of them. Now let me label it as sound and light. As I mentioned before, I will tell how sound is different from light. So let us give points, and I'm going to give it in blue color because it is appropriate. So the first one, sound is wave form, or I have said it wrong. Sound is in form of form of waves. So now the second thing about it is it can travel at the speed whopping 330,000 meters per second, which is really fast compared to me and Hussein Bolt. So now the third difference, it can literally travel it travel through anything except vacuum, as vacuum is its enemy. Now the first one in light is it it is in dual form, which means it is both in particle as well as wave natured. Now it's the second one. Its mm, measured speed currently is surprisingly, I will give you the figure, not to mention 299 792 792 458 meters per second, which means 299,792,458 meters per second. That's really fast compared to sound. And third one, it can travel anywhere without any issue or problem. Now let me put this bell here. This is a bell. I actually put it bell because this is the best example available. Actually, my drawing is lame, but you can draw it yourself. Now let us draw the waves coming through. This ring, ding, 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 and you'll expect waves coming like this, 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 and it goes on until it comes to your ear, right over here. It goes inside ear, vibrates, and there's some sort of like chain reaction going on inside your ear. Something on other is vibrating, and that it is connected to nerves, and which sends to your brain, which causes some perception. And these waves travel this way through the vibration of atoms. There are some simulation. There are some other simulation. I mean, that will have the perception or the showing of the same nature. I will give the link in the description.
Thank you for watching this video.